Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you another powerful way to use the group by function. I remember posting a video a couple of days back and I got someone in my DMs asking if it was possible to do the sales count and percentage of total in one single formula. I hadn't even thought about it until then, so I went did some research and I was able to find a way. So in this example, we want to quickly summarize the product category by sales, count, and percentage of without having to do the group by formula more than one time. So follow along as I show you how to do this. So I'm going to start by typing equals group by, and the row fields here is for the product category. So I'll go here, use shift control down and control backspace to come all the way up, comma, and Excel is asking where are the values. It's of course in the D column. So I'm going to do shift control down and control backspace to come up. And now here's where it really gets interesting. So notice here, once I type the comma for the functions, there are a couple of options for us here. We can do a sum, we can do the percent of, which is the percentage of the total, and we can do the average, we can do the median, we can do the count. But we're only able to select one of all these at any given time. So that's where another Excel formula becomes very handy, and it's called HSTACK. So I'm going to bring up that formula. Instead of typing sum here, I'm going to bring HSTACK and I'm going to open parentheses. And now it's asking me what is the first array. Instead of selecting anything else, I'm going to type sum. Since I have sum is what I want to return for column G, and I'll hit comma, and the next is the count. So I will type count and comma, and percentage of total. I'm going to type percent of. It's right here. And I'm going to close parentheses here and then comma. I don't want to see the headers in this example just because I already have them written up here. So I'm going to say, yes, I have them, but do not show the headers. So double click and close parentheses, hit enter. And just like that, we can see that we have all the sum. I'm going to give it the correct format. For percentages, we want the percentage. And even for this, I also want the percentage. So it adds up to 100%. And that's it, guys. That is a very easy formula to showcase how you can do a pivot within seconds without having to first convert the data to a pivot table and then having to do your analysis. If you find this content useful, share with others, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.